Welcome to Make an App Like. In today's video, we're going to explore 15 unique and simple ways you can make money while you sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Earn money even when you're not actively working. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your blog, website, or social media. Earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. 2. Ebooks and online courses. Write an ebook or create an online course about a topic you're passionate about. Sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Udemy and earn passive income from sales. 3. Stock photography. If you love photography, upload your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Earn money every time someone downloads your photos. 4. Rental income. Own property? Rent it out. From real estate to equipment, renting out assets can generate a steady stream of passive income. 5. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without holding any inventory. Partner with a supplier who ships products directly to customers when they make a purchase. 6. Print on demand. Design custom graphics for t-shirts, mugs, and other products. Use print-on-demand services to handle printing and shipping when customers order. 7. Investments. Invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. With the right strategy, your investments can grow and earn dividends or rental income. 8. Create an app. Have a great app idea? Develop it and launch it on app stores. Earn money through ads, in-app purchases, or a subscription model. 9. Blogging. Start a blog and monetize it with ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. With consistent effort, your blog can generate passive income. 10. YouTube channel. Create videos on topics you love. Once your channel is monetized, you can earn money from ads and sponsorships. 11. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses through peer-to-peer lending platforms. Earn interest on your loans. 12. Digital products. Sell digital products like printables, templates, or software. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to reach customers. 13. Create a membership site. Offer premium content, courses, or community access for a monthly fee. A membership site can provide a recurring income stream. 14. License your music or videos. If you're a musician or videographer, license your work to be used in ads, films, or other media projects. Earn royalties every time your work is used. 15. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. These companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly, providing a steady income. That's it for today's video. We hope these 15 ideas inspire you to start earning passive income while you sleep. Remember, it takes time and effort to set up these income streams, but the rewards are worth it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials from Make an App Like. Until next time, happy earning.